This is before. Okay, this is a lot. I paid strangers to retouch my professional photography. I sent them this portrait and told them to send me their best retouch. I spent $5, $10, $20, $50, and $100. So we have all different price points. So let's see how they differ in their retouching. Also, quick shout out to the model in this photo. Her name is Kendall. She's amazing. Check her out on Instagram. $5 is up first. So this is before and this is after. Okay. All right. The retouching is what I noticed. The first thing. I don't like it. I don't like the retouching. It's just too blurry. Do I complain about a retouch if it was $5? Like, should I not say anything? I'm like, it was only $5. Did I have expectations? I did, but I shouldn't, right? They also softened up the hands and cleaned up the skin everywhere. Again, that was softened up, all those areas on the hands. And then this was smoothed out as well. I think what's throwing me off is the blurriness of the retouch. Gaussian blur was probably set to plus 200 in this one. For no reason other than just the skin, nothing else was really cleaned up. It's not bad, but again, the skin retouching, not a fan. Gaussian blur set to 200, I don't know. Luckily, I ordered another $5 retouch, so let's see how this one differs from the one we just saw. That's before, that's after. It's these $5 retouches. Okay, something's going on with the contour a bit. I don't know, what, did they add in something? I don't know if that was there before, right? The contour? Yeah. It seems like it's very sharp along, like this area right here is very sharp. Yeah, I don't think that was me. I'm waiting for someone to retouch the line on the eyeliner. I'm waiting. Someone's gonna do it. That's why I chose this picture. I'm like, someone's gonna do a little something. It wasn't the $5 retouch, that's fine. But someone hopefully will do that. It's kind of like you're throwing out some food into the ocean and you're gonna see who's hungry. So it looks like it was brightened overall. I don't even know how they skin retouched this. It doesn't see, maybe it's Gaussian blur. You guys, it's that plus 200 blur. Usually you would go back and forth with a retoucher and give them instructions on what you want done and changed. I did not for this video, so just keep that in mind. So that's before, that's after. I think other than just the skin cleanup and brightening the photo, and they brought out some of the shadows, I think nothing else really was done. I'm like, they did the bare minimum and let's move on. Who has faith in $10? Let's see what we got. Okay, I'm so confused. All right, what's happening here? When I can't figure out the method in which it was retouched, then I'm like, we have a mystery on our hands here. Bring the squad out to come solve this. Maybe this was the work of the patch tool? The fact that I don't know the method of retouching for this one, that's not right. It doesn't set well with me. I'm like, I'm mad at myself, frankly. I had nothing to do with this, but I want answers for myself. Just me personally. So he brightened up the eyeliner a bit. See, I'm telling you, we're gonna see a progression here. Someone's gonna fix the eyeliner. Someone. Let's move on to $20. I need to chill. Moving on to $20. This is before, this is after. Okay. I see some eyeliner cleanup. I told you guys. Someone was gonna do it. I knew it. This is cool. I was waiting for this moment. Honestly, like, it's so nice to share this with you guys. It's like you throw out some bait and see who's gonna take it. This is it. It's so funny. This is like bait for retouchers, like a crooked like eyeliner or something. They're like, I'm gonna fix this. And also we see hair cleanup as well, right here in this area. And then they popped out the greens a bit more. I like this. This is nice. Clean skin, nice natural. Like pulling back just a little bit would have been nice, but it's not bad. It's really well done overall. Eyeliner was definitely cleaned up, brightened. Looks great. They did a great job with the eyeliner. We did this eyeliner on the side of the road. Christina did such a good job. It was very impromptu. They also cleaned up this little hair that was here, cleaned up the arms as well as the shoulder area. Overall, very good cleanup. Very nice. I'm happy with this one. $20. Moving on to $50. This is before. This is after? What? Okay. This is a lot. A bit much on the eyes. It's looking a bit cartoony, I think, just because when you add too much to the whites of the eyes, it can start to look a bit much, almost like fake looking a bit. I'm gonna say though, the way they did the eyeliner just looks great. It looks like they set it to hard light as the layer setting. Maybe if they had set it to something, like if they had lowered the opacity so it's not so intense, because right here it kind of doesn't look like it's on her skin. But I do love how they created this line. They just cleaned it up. It does look good. Skin retouching, very smooth. It does look clean. Hand was also cleaned up as well. You can see right there, was smoothed out. It's definitely like a different type of retouch, I would say. She looks snatched though, I'm gonna say. If I were to make revisions, I would just say pull back with the retouching. Don't enhance the whites of the eyes, and then lower the opacity on the eyeliner. Otherwise, they did clean it up, and they did fix the eyeliner, so I'll give them that. Did we go through 5 of them already? We're at the $100 retouch. This is before. This is after. Wow. I don't even know what to say, to be honest with you. This is interesting. First thing I notice, the color to the lips. I love it, actually. They just added that very subtle color. And then the hair was completely fixed. It's like she went to the salon. Listen, I'm just gonna say this is a fantastic skin retouch. So natural, beautiful. So good. It looks, I want the PSD file for this. Zooming in, the skin retouch looks beautiful. So natural. Notice how those areas were kept in. See that shadow right here near the nose? That was kept in. Under eye still looks great. The highlight was kept in. You can see there's dimension to the face. Beautiful. The line was cleaned up. That eyeliner looks beautiful. This looks a lot more natural. You can still see the texture, even though this bottom part was sharp, was added in, and this wing area was modified. Still looks very natural, looks great. It's very soft. It's so pretty. The colors are beautiful. And the pink, I'm telling you, it's that lip color that I don't know what they did to this lip color. It looks beautiful. It added so much. I'm telling you, they're like makeup artists. These retouchers are just basically makeup artists. They're like, we will add lip gloss for you. We'll fix your eyeliner. We'll add a contour. We'll even do your hair. We'll do everything. She also changed the color of the dress that Kendall was wearing to make it more blue-green, which I love. Definitely worth $100. Let's do a run through of all the photos. This is $5, $5, $10, $20, $50, and then $100. My favorite retouch was the $100 one, but which was your favorite? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you guys in my next video.